Question number 1. Which device has specific functions and is usually considered to be a computer? Bravo, GPS receiver is the answer. Question number 2. What is the most important information medium today according to the text? Nice work. You chose visual modality and it is correct. Question number 3. This field provides an understanding of different human traits and habits. Solid response. Psychology is a valid choice. Question number 4. HiC comprises 3 major parts within the framework: dash, dash, and dash. Great job. Human, computer, and interaction is the accurate answer. Question number 5. What are the 2 commonly used devices in mobile and handheld interaction? On track. Smartphone and tablet is the correct answer. Question number 6. A component that provides users with relevant details during interaction. Right again. Information is a valid answer. Question number 7. An organized collection of large quantities of data. Valid point. Database is true. Question number 8. 2 important parts that are inseparable for a computer to function dash. Smart pick. Hardware, software is the correct choice. Question number 9. Which of the following statements best describes a form-based interface? Oh. Excellent. It is often a facsimile of a paper form is a brilliant choice. Question number 10. Which platform is suitable for TV-centric tasks and limited interaction? Good job. Your answer, TV's consoles, works well here. Question number 11. How to measure the success of a prototype in human-computer interaction? Nice selection. Through user testing, observation, and feedback collection is the correct and valid answer. Question number 12. It is considered as the most natural way of interacting with computers. You're right. Haptic modality is the correct answer. Question number 13. What is the main focus of the subject human-computer interaction? Excellent choice. Design principles and practices is the right answer. Question number 14. What is the main purpose of prototyping in human-computer interaction? Exactly. Testing and evaluating human-computer interaction designs makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 15. This interface on human user issues commands directly to the computer. Correct. Command entry is the right answer. Question number 16. It is another method of initiating and performing voluntary movement. Great thinking. Motor control is the right choice. Question number 17. What is a goal of human-computer interaction to develop or improve? Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer. Question number 18. What are the 4 important parts of human problem-solving efforts? You chose sensation, perception, memory, decision executor, and it is correct. Question number 19. What does the GOMS model stand for in human information processing? Nicely done. Goals, operators, methods, selection rules is a solid answer. Question number 20. Computer consists of input devices, output devices, memory, and dash. Sharp thinking. Processing is the right choice. Question number 21. It is a type of human memory that is also known as working memory. You got it? Your choice short-term memory is right. Question number 22. What is Fitts' law applicable to in the context of human movement? Strong choice. Rapid, pointing movements is the right answer. Question number 23. What is not the aim of studying ergonomic factors in ink is dash. Clear logic. Your choice reduce work habits is sound and 100% true. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a computer input or output device? Right choice. Hard disk is the best answer. Question number 25. What is the purpose of the Java Abstract Window Toolkit? Well reasoned. To support GUI programming with native user interface components is the correct choice. Question number 26. What is the main objective of incorporating gestures into IC? Well done. To engage users into a more natural interaction is the right choice. Question number 27. It defines the structure and behavior of interactive systems. Good thinking. Interaction design is the right answer. Question number 28. What is the main purpose of the interaction sequences in C? Perfect. To depict the navigation and navigation rules is the correct choice. Question number 29. How does human-computer interaction affect user satisfaction? Well picked. It reduces errors and frustration is the correct answer. Question number 30. How does human-computer interaction impact user productivity? Smart move. It reduces errors and increases task efficiency is an accurate answer. Question number 31. The collection of physical elements that make up a computer. Bravo. Hardware is the answer. Question number 32. What is the purpose of a focus interview evaluation method? Good thinking. To observe user interaction behavior is the right answer. Question number 33. It is the most common mode of information feedback in XC. Great thinking. Oral modality is the right choice. Question number 34. What are the key principles of human-computer interaction? Sharp thinking. Visibility, feedback, and consistency is the right choice. Question number 35. What is the main goal of human-computer interaction? Correct. To study the interaction between humans and computers is the right answer. Question number 36. Things mutually act, relate, influence, interrelationship. Smart move. Interaction is an accurate answer. Question number 37. What was the name of the first computer created by Apple? Clear logic. Your choice Apple I is sound and 100% true. Question number 38. It is a type of human memory that has a limited capacity. You chose short-term memory, and it is correct. Question number 39. What term can we also use to refer to computer equipment? On track. Hardware is the correct answer. Question number 40. Different place, different time interaction, also known as? Good job. Your answer communication and coordination works well here. Question number 41. What is one characteristic of a computational thinker? Right again. One who's good at problem solving is a valid answer. Question number 42. Reading from a computer screen is dash then from a book. Strong choice. Slower is the right answer.
Question number 43. Same time and different place interaction, also known as.
Perfect. Remote interaction is the correct choice. Question number 44. The following are included in computer input equipment. Excellent. Keyboard is a brilliant choice. Question number 45. Purpose of human and computer interaction except dash. Great job. Difficult is the accurate answer.
Question number 46. What is the importance of human-computer interaction?
Nice work. You chose it improves the efficiency and effectiveness of computer technology, and it is correct. Question number 47. Given are the fundamental of components of ASCII except. You're right. Interaction design is the correct answer. Question number 48. What are the different interaction sequences in ASCII? Exactly. Hub and spokes, matrix, network makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 49. The point where two objects meet is known as what? You got it. Your choice and interface is right. Question number 50. What does usability refer to in the context of IC? Right choice. How easy something is to use is the best answer. Question number 51. What does ASCII encompass as an academic discipline? Nice selection. All of the above is the correct and valid answer. Question number 52. Design practice contributing to interaction design. Smart pick. Graphic design is the correct choice. Question number 53. The central character in any interactive system. Nicely done. Human is a solid answer. Question number 54. What is the role of ergonomic principles in ASCII? Well done. To optimize human well-being and overall system performance is the right choice. Question number 55. Which of the following could a computer not do? Excellent choice. Select jewelry to match your current outfit is the right answer. Question number 56. The goal of human-computer interaction is dash. Valid point. Maximum usability is true. Question number 57. What are the basic interaction styles in ASCII? Solid response, command language, menu selection, form fill-in, direct manipulation is a valid choice. Question number 58. What are some of the research aspects of ASCII? Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer. Question number 59. What are mental models in the context of ASCII? Well picked. Scripts for doing something based on previous experiences is the correct answer. Question number 60. What is the largest organ in the human body? Well reasoned. Skin is the correct choice. Question number 61. What is the purpose of Nielsen's heuristics? Good thinking. To identify usability problems in interfaces is the right answer. Question number 62. Below are the components of ink, except dash. Clear logic. Your choice software is sound and 100% true. Question number 63. The word computer comes from Latin, namely solid response. Compute is a valid choice. Question number 64. Current common interaction styles include. Bravo. All of the above is the answer.
Question number 65. What is human-computer interaction?
Exactly. The study of the interaction between humans and computers makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 66. What are the 3 types of human memory?
Correct response. Short-term, long-term, sensory is the most accurate answer.
Question number 67. What are the 3 components of ASCII?
On track, user, computer, and interface is the correct answer.
Question number 68. Human cognitive process involves dash.
You chose all of the above, and it is correct.
Question number 69. Dash is often actually task switching.
Correct. Multitasking is the right answer.
Question number 70. It is considered a computer output.
Well reasoned. Printer is the correct choice.
Question number 71. What makes a computer a computer?
Well done. It must have inputs, outputs, processing, and storage is the right choice.
Question number 72. Overload is a condition where?
Well picked. Limitations in storing information is the correct answer.
Question number 73. Why is C design important?
Good job. Your answer to communicate information and functionality effectively works well here.
Question number 74. 3 important parts of ASCII.
Strong choice. All correct is the right answer.
Question number 75. What is an interface in C?
Valid point. A communication path between the user and the computer is true.
Question number 76. What is the focus of C?
Smart pick. The psychology of the person using the device is the correct choice.
Question number 77. Who are the users in ASCII?
Nice selection. People with limited abilities and expertise is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 78. What does HI stand for?
Right again. Human-computer interaction is a valid answer.
Question number 79. Define binary numbers.
Nicely done. Base 2 number system used by computers is a solid answer.
Question number 80. Who is Jakob Nielsen?
Great job. A guru on web usability is the accurate answer.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Right choice. Contact Narayan Changda is the best answer.